video camera got full, and so I had to take it back and take all of my old or my new video clips and download them to my computer so I could make some more for you. Okay, so I've got 10 washers here. I'm using an 1.25" bolt first. It might be inch, but I'm going to try the 1.25" first. I'm just using these shims to fill up from the bottom up to here flush, if not just a hair further than flush, so it sticks up ever so slightly. And let's just see here. I tried just stacking them down and it didn't seem to go, and one of the washers I got was too small, but I can do it this way, like that. Now see, it seems to be going in, and I've got about a 1/4 inch slop there. I think I could maybe just use the 1-inch ones. Let's see. I've got a 1-inch right there. No, that's almost flush. I barely get any threads going, and so, you know, I might have to take a few washers on top. Let's say 3, like that. Maybe even maybe 1 even. Okay, just to take up a little bit of the slop, because I'm afraid to go down too far. I've almost got it. And it looks like I need 2 washers. I'm going to put 2 on this one. I think I'm going to take this one out. Well, I'm just afraid to get it too tight to the bottom of the threads. So that's why I got some extra washers, see. Okay, so now I've got two washers there. And then I can slide it back and forth. You know, I'll get the next one up here and see what I can do. So I got this just about snug, and I don't want to over tighten it, and I think I have just enough room for one more washer. I didn't think I was going to have. Boy, yeah, last thing I want to do is do that too tight, for fear I snap something off or start digging in to the actual TV components. Okay, so now I've got 3 on the top, 10 on the bottom. So a little trial and error, and maybe you can make your old bracket assembly work. You find a new bracket assembly at the store, and you know, they could be, I don't know, $45, $50. Possibly. And all these shims cost less than $10. Some of them I'm going to actually take back because I'm not going to need them all. Okay. Okay, that's how it's going to be, like that. So I'm going to put this one on, and the key here is to get these both lined up the same. If it's slightly off, I'll loosen this up, push it down a little bit, push this one up a little bit. I want this perfectly straight so that the TV is going to hang straight on the wall bracket. Okay, I'm going to get this one, and I'll be right back. That's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos